Grow mushrooms at home, a beginner's guide to delicious fungi. Hey everyone, and welcome! Ever dreamed of harvesting your own gourmet mushrooms right in your kitchen? It's easier than you think. We're going to demystify the process and show you how to grow delicious mushrooms at home, even if you're a complete beginner. Growing your own mushrooms is incredibly rewarding. You get fresh, flavorful fungi, free from pesticides, and with a significantly smaller carbon footprint than store-bought varieties. Plus, it's a fascinating and educational experience. Mushrooms are packed with nutrients and add a unique umami flavor to your dishes. They're a fantastic addition to a healthy, sustainable diet. Imagine the satisfaction of cooking with something you've nurtured from start to finish. For beginners, oyster mushrooms are a fantastic choice. They're fast-growing, relatively forgiving, and produce beautiful, delicious harvests. Plus, they can thrive on a variety of substrates. Other easy-to-grow options include shiitake and winecap mushrooms. Each variety has its own unique flavor profile and growing requirements, so do a little research to find one that suits your taste. Consider your climate and available space when making your selection. You'll need a few key items to get started. These include mushroom spawn, a suitable substrate, a container, and a spray bottle. Don't worry, we'll break down each of these in detail. Mushroom spawn is essentially mushroom seeds. The substrate is the material the mushrooms will grow on, like straw, coffee grounds, or wood chips. A clear plastic tub or bag works well as a container. The substrate needs to be properly prepared to support mushroom growth. This usually involves pasteurization or sterilization to eliminate competing organisms. The method depends on the substrate you choose. For straw, pasteurization involves soaking it in hot water for an hour. For coffee grounds, sterilization in a pressure cooker is recommended. A clean substrate is crucial for successful mushroom cultivation. Inoculation is the process of introducing the mushroom spawn to the prepared substrate. This is a critical step, so make sure your hands and work area are clean. Contamination can ruin your entire crop. Mix the spawn thoroughly with the substrate, ensuring even distribution. Aim for a spawn rate of around 5 to 10% of the substrate weight. This gives the mushroom mycelium a good head start. After inoculation, the substrate needs to incubate in a dark, humid environment. This allows the mushroom mycelium to colonize the substrate. This process can take several weeks. Maintain a temperature appropriate for your chosen mushroom variety. Oyster mushrooms typically prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Monitor the substrate regularly for signs of contamination. Once the substrate is fully colonized, it's time to initiate fruiting. This involves exposing the substrate to fresh air, light, and increased humidity. This signals the mushrooms to start forming. Mist the substrate regularly to maintain high humidity. Provide indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight. Harvest the mushrooms when the caps are fully formed, but before they release their spores. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. Common problems include contamination, slow growth, and small yields. Don't get discouraged. With a little troubleshooting, you can overcome these challenges. Contamination is often caused by poor sanitation. Slow growth can be due to incorrect temperature or humidity. Small yields may indicate insufficient nutrients or poor spawn quality. Congratulations! You've successfully grown your own mushrooms. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits, or fungi, of your labor. Experiment with different recipes and savor the unique flavor of your homegrown harvest. Mushrooms are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be sautéed, grilled, roasted, or added to soups, stews, and sauces. Share your harvest with friends and family and spread the joy of homegrown mushrooms. Growing mushrooms at home is a fun, rewarding, and sustainable way to enjoy fresh, delicious food. It's easier than you think, and with a little practice, you'll be harvesting your own gourmet mushrooms in no time. Ready to start your mushroom growing journey? Click the link in the description to download our free guide to growing oyster mushrooms at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and share this video with your fellow foodies and sustainability enthusiasts. Happy growing!